Are you looking to share your birth date with your followers on Twitter but not sure how to do it on your PC? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to show your birth date to your followers. First, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, look for the button that says Edit Profile and click on it. Next, scroll down until you find the birth date section and click on Edit. A pop-up menu will appear, so click on Edit again. Now, it's time to select who can see your birth year. Click on Year and choose your followers. Then, do the same for the month and day section by selecting your followers. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to click Save Changes to confirm your settings. And there you have it. Your birth date is now visible to your followers on Twitter. By following these quick and easy steps, you can share your special day with your followers and let them celebrate with you. So, go ahead and update your birth date on Twitter today.